They say every Swede is born with an Ikea gene. I'm a Swede. I was born. Let's see what's going on here. First up, getting it completely wrong without even trying, because who needs to read the manual anyway? Anyway, let's move on. Seeing here to undo my mistakes, I have to unscrew these things here. This, I don't know, thingamabob. So let's have a look at this then. Okay, let's collect them, move them away, put the thing down again. Look at it, put the screws in the right place this time, hopefully. Still haven't checked the manual because who knows, I got the Ikea gene. Well, apparently I do not. Let's consult the manual, let's contemplate our life, let's remove everything and start all over. So let's see what the manual told us to do. It told us to take down anything on the walls that your niece ever made you, put away all the tacks, just kind of like clear the surface so that you can work properly. Okay, a level I saw there. Okay, you gotta level it out as well. Okay, yeah. Let's measure that up, see what's happening. Put that, whatever thing that is, put the level back on, put little dots here and there. Pretend basically that you know what you're doing. Get the screws out, get them to match with the plastic thingies. Get one of those drill things. Yep, let's attach it to the base and put the box away and contemplate a little bit, what are we doing, which one is going to fit best. Let's just pop that on there and see what happens. Okay, here goes. Yeah, I see the blue light flickering, whatever. Yeah, things are happening. I think what happened was that the whatever screwdriver thingy broke. So let's bring out the big guns. The big guns can do the job, right? Right. There we go. Yes, I think we got something happening there. Yes, there's a hole. There's the first hole. Put the little plastic thing in. Does not fit. Go back into the hole. Make it a little bit bigger. Put the plastic thing in. And just like do the same thing on the other side. Let's do that. See what happens. It's just yeah, okay, yeah, that's working. Yep. Put the big gun back into the box and put it away. And see what's next here. Okay, let's try to hammer in those plastic things. Yep, great. The other one, nope, breaks, nope. Let's try again, a new one. Hammer it in. Yes, perfect, it's in now. Let's do the whole level thing again too, because I don't know why, because that's what people do. Let's do a bit of hammering. Let's put the thingy back on the wall. What's going on there now? Yeah, I'm guessing putting little dots here and there. Oh, the screws are going in. Brilliant. You get the little gun out. Little gun is little gunning and fuck that. Yeah, no, it's not really working out for me.